Hello and welcome. Let's take a look at some more of these cryptocurrency charts, finishing them off in chronological order, SDC. And this one is one that might be a loser for me, and it could still be a winner. As I'll talk about my losing strategies a little bit within this, because you have to have them. Not every play is going to win. And this daily chart had this spike with high volume in here, this level of consolidation, down move, up move, and some more consolidation until this large high volume rally. Managed to get it above this key high and has since crashed down really hard. Let's take a look at this on a 2 hour chart as my entry position started at 27. I got in long here and here and here and here and a little bit here as well. And I haven't sold much yet at all. I sold a little bit in here, not much. And I think I sold once up here as well. Or no, I don't think, no, I wouldn't have. Not in the 2 hour chart. I haven't sold since probably back in here. However, this is a play which could ultimately lose because when these things have big moves, they're going to have its correctionary move. But if its correctionary move is something like this, sideways, and this, then it's a dead chart. And that's what it might become. So I'm going to be looking to hope that this area still becomes support and sell a bit here, a bit here, a bit here. I got sell orders even over 4,400 as well. I'm still going to hope to get those in play. But if this thing has another leg lower, say down to 1,000, which is where the breakout low is from, that means I'm going to have to put sell orders in at 1,400 and 1,200 and 1,800. I'm going to play the next rally. It's just I'm hoping it comes from here and not a much lower level. And with the breakout lows being in at 1,000, if you're looking to fish for a bottom, the only ones I can recommend is right now at this price, and I'm not a fan of it now. And again at 1,000, again, not a big fan on a technical analysis based only strat. Let's talk about this one. This is a pretty good one. I'm recently in this as we have a kilo here, or roughly around this 590 mark, 1373 high and the 590 low in here. So the first key Fibonacci level, which was resisted once and a higher low, it's taken it out. No support for that number. Second key Fibonacci number, roughly around 1,000, has stabilized a bit within it. I mean, all this whole area, but it's kept going, and it's even breaking out past this 1125. So I think this at least has the move to get to the previous high of 1373. And who knows what it is capable of doing after that move. Let's now take a look at VIA, which I put in my head as a big train because that's what our train company in Canada is called, and I've ridden it in the past a few times, but it's just all about code names for me. And this is a nice, interesting looking chart. We take a look at this 1252 low and this 15 or the 5400 high. I don't have Fibonacci numbers in here. As far as key support levels, these two offer the most, but this thing does look as if it's going to make a play up to its high, and I am not going to be playing it. As far as I did have the key Fibonacci, I was wondering, I'm thinking, why didn't I put it in? So the key numbers are 3090, which is roughly around here, and then 3825, so it's breaking out past this key mark, and even from just these lows in here, this low to this high, it's breaking past the key points where it looks as if it's going to be moving further to the upside. We just want to make sure. Yep. XEM, which has this high in at 2798, this low in at 285, which puts 682 into play, so somewhere around here, which was resistance. Then 1169, which is obviously breaking past, and then even a 1632 variable. Ooh, there we have it. Definitely playable now. As far as any type of confirmation moves in this area, like the previous charts shown, probably good idea that this thing can keep going towards the upside as far as further corrections are concerned. Well, the key Fibonacci numbers shown, as well as this previous resistance, which again is a Fibonacci for the that's shown on the screen, which is previous resistance. Let's finish this off within Monero XMR. And within this video, we have a breakout low of 161.5 and this high last fall at 2650, which has had this move down to this point, up here, and down here. So key Fibonacci support, and it has just broken through this large. Now this is a 61.8%. There's Fibonacci down here as well. But regardless, again, how you look at it, connecting this high and this low, this thing is ready to go. It's definitely in a very solid uptrend. It's got to correct at some point. And now we have to think it's going to at least get here, maybe before it could have it. It seems as if it's pretty much, it's very dangerous to short this or bet against this at this point. But within correctionary phase, you also got to say to yourself, oh, it's down a little bit. Okay, well, if you're short term, intermediate term, yeah, then that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for small corrections, and then whenever I can buy in, I usually sell it every time because it's been in an uptrend, and it's worked out very well for me within that level. Because when I do my type of trading where I buy on dips and sell on peaks, if the market's in an uptrend, say if I buy here, I'm going to put a sell order here and then try to buy it back here with a sell order here and try to play the higher low, higher high game the best that I can. Always keeping shares on stock, not selling out as long as it's in this uptrend. In a sideways action, then you figure out the upwards and downwards range. But if you're trading this in a downtrend, as bad as that may sound, you make sure that, okay, if I buy here, I'm going to sell up here, but I'm not going to buy again till down here. If I buy, I'm going to sell. I won't buy again till down here. The markets will automatically will tell itself when you don't get your orders in or you get too many in, because, okay, I'm going to put an order in here. Oh, this buy order never got executed, and next thing you know, this sell order got executed in here, and I got two sell orders in a row. It tells you right there, just by playing that kind of game, that the market has reverted over. So definite uptrend within XMR, and thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.